Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to track who's actually using your desks and meeting rooms, no sensors required. Instead, the occupancy and utilization data comes straight from the workspace bookings and check-ins already happening in YAROOMS. First of all, for a quick status check, you can always see real-time capacity and occupancy data right on your map view. Now let's access the Analytics menu. Here you can see the reports available: hybrid work patterns, presence roster, service bookings, booking trends, visitor analytics, and employee satisfaction. The utilization report shows how your space is actually being used by location, floor, and space type, so you can see which areas are overused, underused, or sitting empty. Here's what the utilization report looks like. At the very top of the report, you'll see an overview of booking activity and space utilization trends during a selected time period. As mentioned before, you can filter the data by floor, location, space type or group, and other criteria. Going further, we get more granular. You can see how busy each floor in your office is. On the floor level, you can even access heat maps to spot underused or high-demand areas at a glance. These charts show how actual occupancy compares to capacity over time, and which days are the most popular for bookings. It's a simple way to support planning and right-sizing decisions. Finally, you can quickly spot which specific spaces and types are in highest demand, from desks and meeting rooms to parking spots. I hope you found this interesting. If you want to dig into more specific use cases, schedule a call with one of our workplace experts via our website. Thank you for your time.